Here we are in Calima, our home for the last 3 days. Tomorrow we plan to go to Comala. From there we will do a tour that encompasses Lago di Maria and then about a 2-hour trek around the foothills of the local volcano, which is the most active volcano here in Mexico.
Here we are in the town of La Hierbabuena, which is the closest town to the volcano on the Calima side. And right next to me you can see these rocks that were airborne from the 1913 eruption. It's a very big rocks. You can imagine the magnitude of the eruption. It was over 23-kilometer high eruptive column. So you gotta be careful when you're close to the volcanoes.
Eat it.
It's hot.